Sometimes when we use Scribble, we're going to be saving web pages into our library and annotating and making comments on those web pages, doing research. But sometimes we're going to upload files of short stories or mentor texts so that we can annotate those as well. So if you want to upload a file, you're going to click Add Source. You're going to click Upload File. And you're going to choose the file that you've saved off of Schoology or wherever you saved it. We're going to open this one. Click Open. It's going to upload, and then you're going to go ahead and click Close. When you get that in there right away, you're going to want to tag it. And tags are a really nice way of organizing everything, so that if we're working on a paper, I'll give you a tag. If we're working on some sort of assignment, I'll give you a tag so that all of the texts in Scribble that are associated with that tag will go with it. So this is a short story. So we're going to go ahead and click, and I've already created it, but you can create the tag by typing short stories right in here, and then clicking that plus button. I can't do it because I already have one. So if I said short story, then it would allow me to click that, and I can make that new tag. But I'm just going to click this and apply the tags to it. You can see now that I have the short story tag and the uploaded tag to it. So now whenever I click on this short story, it'll show all the short stories. And so it's kind of a way to organize your library and have different things. But now, I can click on this and open it up, and my Scribble toolbar is up at the top, and I can read and annotate things. So that's how you upload something to Scribble.